everybody.
Hello, buddy.
So today, this week, it's bread week. So, bread week, good girl. So we're going to make some cheesy. You say it, cheesy? Soda. Bread. Okay, something else Mummy's never made before. Right, what do we need?
The bowl.
The big bowl. Okay, so we've got plain flour. So tap it on top. Good girl. We have wholemeal flour. Tap it on the top. Good girl. We have a little bit of salt. Pour that in. Yeah, pour it in. That's it. Good girl. And we have some bicarbonate of soda, which is apparently, instead of the yeast, it's still a bit there. Give it a tap. Good girl. Okay, can you give that a big mix? Big mix. Hold the bowl. Good girl. Is that all nicely mixed? Nicely mixed. It's just flour and salt and bicarb. Okay. Next we need our buttermilk. Okay, this is glass, so you've got to be careful. It's quite heavy. Ready? Do it together. Ready? This is buttermilk. Mummy didn't know what buttermilk was before. Buttermilk. Can you scrape it out? That's it. Want to do a bit? Okay, the last bit. Do you not like the smell of it?
No.
Do you not?
Not nice.
Is it not a nice smell?
Not nice now.
Doesn't really smell of anything. Right, hold the bowl and give that a good stir. Mix it. So it says give that a little mix. No, we're not using our hands yet. We need to mix it all in together to make a dough. Right, so mix a bit and then add the cheese. So, do you want a little taste? Mature cheese. It's quite strong. Is that nice? Whoopsie daisy. Tap it on the top. Is that nice cheese?
Nice.
Is it really nice? Good girl. Give it a good mix with your spoon. Round and round. That is quite hard to do it together. That nice strong cheese, delicious. No. So yeah, it's yummy.
Yeah, yummy.
It is yummy.
Cheese there.
There is cheese there. That's to go on top. You can have a little taste of that cheese as well if you'd like.
Yeah.
You want a little bit now? Oh, okay. Little bit. That's it. Otherwise we'll have no cheese for the top. Shall I give this a quick mix while you're munching? No, you do it then. And it's going to create a dough for our cheesy soda bread. There we go. Mummy's turn. Come here, Mum. Good girl. And who knows if this is meant to, if this looks right? Is that all right to you?
No more.
We need to pull it out and give it a very quick knead. So, let's move it over there for a minute. Oh, there we go. Okay. Can you get a little bit and sprinkle it on the table? Okay, a little bit more than that. Good girl. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. And that's to make sure that our dough doesn't stick to the table. Right, can you put that on the table? Put it down. You 2 hands. That's it, you put it on the table. Good girl. That's it. That's it. And then, look, fold that over. Fold that bit over and push. Kind of like kneading. Right, I'm going to spin it around. Right, Lift that bit up.
Up.
That's it. No, don't eat it because it's got all the flour. We need to cook it first. Lift this bit up
Baby.
and push it in there. Push.
Baby.
Push. Right. And I think that, I don't know, is that done? Don't eat it. You can have some more cheese in a minute. A ball. Right, get rid of all this mess. Do we need a cloth? A cloth? Your hands?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're all sticky. Do you want to put it on the baking tray first?
Yeah.
Okay. And then,
What is that?
yeah. So you put this on our baking tray. Put your hands. That's it. Fantastic. Just like that. And then you can sprinkle the cheese on it. And we're going to cut a cross in the middle.
Only eat.
You can, what, eat some of the cheese? You can eat some of the cheese.
Only middle. Only tap.
Tap? Can we cook first? Okay, Lily, this knife is very sharp. Okay, so hand on here. We'll do it together. Ready? And we'll cut across this way. Not all the way through, just a little bit. That's it. And then we'll cut across this way. I mean, I have no idea how far down. We'll assume that's right. Thank you. Right, and then we'll sprinkle the cheese. Sprinkle the cheese on top. Sprinkle, sprinkle. You can have a bit to taste if you like. Yeah, well, that's a lot, but yeah, okay. Mmm, cheese. There you go. Beautiful. Sprinkle it on the top. That's probably enough. What do you think? Is that done? No, there's some more to go on. Come on then. Do you want to tip it on? Tip it on. That's it. Perfect. And that's it. That's done. There's no more cheese. That's done. That's our soda bread done. Cheesy soda bread. What do we say? Ta-da! Ooh, look at all that cheese in your mouth. Good girl, done. Cheese. So we've made our cheesy bread, haven't we? Our cheesy soda bread. And look. Say ta-da! Looks delicious. Maybe a little overcooked, but delicious. So now we're going to make a sweet. We're going to make a chocolate orange soda bread, aren't we? So, same as before, we need our bowl and our flour. That's it. Good girl. Thank you. And a little bit of sugar. And a little bit of bicarbonate of soda. Tap that on the bottom. Make sure it's all out. Good girl. Leave that there. Hang on. We're going to use a spoon in a minute. Okay. And what's this? What is it? It is chocolate. Oh, you'd like a little taste. Okay. Teeny bit more. Okay, that's enough. All it goes. In it goes. Right, no more for tasting. Okay? Give that a stir. Is that delicious? Hold the bowl. Hold the bowl. Hold the bowl. Get all that chocolate mixed in nice and evenly. Whoops-a-daisy. Shall we concentrate on what we're doing? Yeah, you look at what you're doing. I mean, that's just gone everywhere, Lily. Never mind. Done? Not yet. We've got to add the buttermilk first. Okay. Not for drinking. This is for in our baking. This is quite heavy. Okay, ready? Pour it in. Good girl. Right. Give that a careful stir. You put your hand on the bowl. Careful, careful. Do it slowly, slowly. Good girl. Can I have a look? Let me look.
On my arm.
Oh no, is it on your arm? Would you like a cloth?
My hand.
We'll use your hands in a minute. This is quite small. Okay, so it's all gone together. So we need to sprinkle some flour on the table. That's it, bit more. Bit more. Good girl. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Like it's snowing. Good girl. I mean, this is quite a sticky mixture. It's just flour, Lily. It's probably not going to be very nice to eat at all. So here is our sticky dough. Sticky, sticky. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. No, 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 no. Right, here you go. It's very sticky. Do you want to put it on the table or should we put it straight on the tray? On the tray. My hands are covered.
Not really nice.
I mean, that's really sticky.
Not really nice.
It's very sticky, isn't it? Don't eat that flour. Give you a poorly tummy. Right. Then Mummy just wash your hands. And while I'm doing this, can you sprinkle sugar on top of it? Here, that's flour. Can you sprinkle some sugar? Sprinkle, sprinkle on top of it. Good girl. All over it. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Is that all over it, or is that in just one place? Is it just in one place? Good girl. Let me just put some flour on this knife so it doesn't stick. Should we, just put some around this edge. And around that edge. There. Done. And then we need to try. I mean, this is very sticky. Do you want to wipe your hand first? Yeah. There you go. Okay. Let's try and cut. I don't know whether. Yeah, that's kind of it. In that way. We can't eat it until it's cooked, can we? That's it. Good girl. And that's that. Finish! What do you say?
Ta-da!